Hey, it's Brittany and I'm here at Disney's All-Star Movies Resort to give you guys a updated resort tour here. They've refreshed a little bit of all the All-Star resorts here, so I just want to come out and show you guys them so you can see what's kind of new and just check them out if you haven't seen them yet. So the like button and subscribe. Let's go check it out. So this is where you're going to be dropped off if you're coming from anywhere on property, so like Magic Kingdom, just basically any of the buses on property, you're gonna get dropped off right out here. But if you're coming from like the airport and the parking lot is just like right over here, you're gonna be coming over here. So like obviously you can see the mirrors is out here. If you're taking like a cab or like anything basically, they'll drop you off here at the very, very front. And then this is the main entrance. Ooh, get in here before this crowd of people, but they have the red carpet out for you. Bell services if you need to hold your bags or anything. But this is the lobby, and look at the red carpet, it's so cute. So yeah, definitely got a little refresh in here. Check-in is to your right. They have a little red carpet, a little kiddo area. They can watch a movie while you check in if your room is not ready. But, oh my gosh, it's gorgeous in here. They have a really good pin board back there and some photo op stuff. So stinking cute. Bathrooms and phones and mailbox to the left. And then over here, we're gonna start this side, is the Donald's double feature. And then right on these sides is the buses, so basically where we came from. But every resort has like a little resort store. So if you've forgotten anything, you can check it out. Oh my gosh, these Mickeys with the little Walt Disney World hat are absolutely adorable. So yeah, lots of merchandise that's in the parks. Maybe if you forgot them, you don't have to go all the way into the parks. You could just get them here. There's also a couple all-star things. It's a really cute sweatshirt, a zip up, a water bottle, and a little, oh, and a pin. Cute. Ornament and a pin. These are new too. Oh, those are cute. Love that. Yeah, so we're gonna just walk through this because it looks like every other one. We have some like, it says concessions. I was gonna say concessions. Like kind of it is. Snacks and stuff like that over here. So toiletries if you forgot. This is also another door out to the buses. You can also enter here as well. This is a cool tong. That's cute. But yeah, so you have souvenirs and snacks if you guys are hungry. Want to just grab like a little bag of snacks. These are one of my favorite snacks on property. Whew, if you love lemon, so good. We've got some chips, full bags of chips, alcohol, some toiletries if you forgot anything. So that's what's great about these resorts is they have little stuff like that. Looks like they have some swimwear over here if you forgot your swimwear, some towels, Mickey towel. Yeah, really, really cute stuff in here. And the All-Star sports stuff is really nice too. So if you want something specifically for this resort, you can as well. So we're gonna come back out here, and obviously the check-in desk is straight in front of us. We're gonna head back this way. That gift shop is open till 11 p.m. as well. And then the world premiere food court, which does have mobile ordering, which is very nice. It's very large. I love the theming in here because I love theater. Theater, movies, everything. I love everything about it. So this is probably one of my favorite themed value resorts on property. But it's massive. I love this like theater look with like all the theater, the Roxy, the Rialto. Like the lighting here is just, it's quite stunning. But they even have like little movie posters over here that are like Disney-ified. So I'll show you. Let's see where no one is. It's like the Feisty Ducks over here and Enchanted, but with characters. Yeah, some really cute like little posters. A nice beverage center, but I like love these lights. I love them. They're so good. So let's head back out to where we were, and then we'll keep going to the left, and we'll go out to the main pool and start looking at the actual resort. But this is awesome. Just really good theming here. And if we keep going, we have an arcade. This wall is newer, refreshed. Very big arcade, and there's an ATM, and it looks like there's like a dog tag engraving thing. But we have an arcade in here. Some people taking advantage of it, so I'm not gonna go in there all the way. But then let's head out to the pool, which right now the main pool, which is the Fantasia pool, is actually like under like a little refurbishment. So that is not open right now. But I'll take you to the map of the resort anyway. So this is one of the bigger more spaced out resorts of the All-Stars. So we're here. We can go left to Toy Story, right to Mighty Ducks and 101 Dalmatians, and then up here is Fantasia and Love Bug. So it's kind of like it's decent size. So, but yeah, the Fantasia pool is under refurb right now. So let's head left and go towards Toy Story. So let's just head this way. I can show you guys a little bit of the pool because, like I said, it's under construction, or refurb, not construction. There's some nice power washing at the pool deck, but like there's a Sorcerer and Mickey in there. It's really cute. It's also quite large too, which is really nice. But it's sad that it's closed. We have the silver screen spirits out here. You can also order stuff from within the cafe as well. But let's just head this way. And oh, the theming is already like, I can already see it, and it's so cute. Especially for us 90s kids, we love our Toy Story, which is just, it's classic. It's classic. And there's also a playground right down this little path for your kiddos, which is great. Playgrounds can get pretty warm here when it's hot, so just be prepared. There's some extra like outdoor seating over here at the real spot if you're looking for a nice spot to sit. But yeah, we're heading into Toy Story, and you can clearly see it's Toy Story, all right. But yeah, there's some people enjoying some of the stuff, so I'm not gonna get in their way. Oh, looks like they're walking, no biggies. We've got some soldiers up there, toy soldiers. We've got some rockets. The little RC car here, which is real cute. Oh my goodness, is this gonna be like a soft? Oh, kind of. So cute, so cute. What a great photo op. Looks like we also have a ping pong table out here. Like, this is gonna get real hot in the sun, but I mean, whatever works. And then we're going into Andy's room. I'll give them a second. There's a family coming out, no bigs. You can see Woody over here. Yeah, the theming, we're here. Definitely here for the theming. Andy's room, keep out. It's a big door, super cute though. Then we have Buzz over here, and then just like all the Valley resorts, the elevator is gonna be in the middle, and the stairwells are gonna be on the right. We're on each side. We have Bo Peep over here, Woody, oh, he's so cute. Some blocks, some fun things the kids can play with. And I like that his foot says Andy and not Bonnie. Andy. He's Andy's, not Bonnie's. Some Woody blocks. And then parking, pardon me, parking is on the opposite side of all the buildings. So that you can park over here and get to your building very close without having to walk from the lobby. We have some like Mickey Mouse chests over here. And then Buzz, which is awesome. Yeah, he's really cool. So let's, oh, and Rex. I almost forgot Rex. Can't forget Rex. He's cute. So I'm gonna go back out here and meet you guys near Fantasia Pool, and we'll head towards another section. Okay, made it back to the Fantasia Pool. Looks like they're like testing Mick. Sorcerer Mickey over here doing his little like splash power. But yeah, it's a really nice pool. I can show you guys a lot because there's no families in it right now. But it's a really nice little pool. And it looks like it looks like a splash pad for the kiddos over here, and like laundry and stuff. But yeah, here's the pool. And I'm gonna walk straight this way through Fantasia. But yeah, there's Mick. Super cute. Again, a very good sized pool. So this is the Fantasia section. So it's gonna be the section straight out from the lobby is obviously this, but like, epic. So cool. I love it. I love it. I love it. And then we have the Sorcerer's hat. Sorry, they're power washing and it's very loud. Some toy soldiers. Just stuff from Fantasia. I like the Sorcerer Mickey hat though. That's really cool. It's cool to see these things like larger than life, like the brooms and the hat. With the brooms, we play Lorcana, and my husband has a deck. It's like a broom deck, magic deck. And I cannot beat him with this deck. It's a very good deck. So that's just what the brooms remind me of. But we're gonna keep going all the way back because the Herbie section is back here. But here's looking at the back side of the pool. The Sorcerer hat, that is just so cool. I like that. then we're gonna keep on walking. Yeah, I think out of all the all-star resorts, this one's probably my favorite. Oh, there's a fire pit back here and some characters. But I love the brooms, they're cool. And they're coming back here to Herbie, or Love Bug, as they call it. As you can see, Fantasia 2000 is on all of the stairs. And back here is very quiet. It's kind of weird that they don't have like a pool or something. I mean, you are pretty dang close to the Fantasia pool, but right now with it being down, it's a little sad. But there is another pool over by the Mighty Ducks area. We'll walk over there next. But you can got Herbie over here. Oh, I like the little like marker are the stairwells. That's so cute. But I love Herbie, Lindsay Lohan. You know, the things, the vibes. But I really like this section. It's really cute. It's just, it's a beautiful day here. The clouds with the blue sky. It's just always like a pretty view here in Florida. But yeah, and you even have Herbie here. This is the actual car that was used in the Magic Kingdom parades. So this was from the parades at Magic. That's cute. I like that. Yeah, Herbie fully loaded. Super cute. Love that it says Herbie over here. And then the parking is going to be straight back there. So let's head back towards the Fantasia pool and go towards the other side. So we only have like one big major section left, but I won't make you guys like walk all the way back with me. So I'll meet you guys once I get over on the other side of the Fantasia pool to go to that last section of this resort. Okay, back to basically the lobby. So this is also a walkway to like, this is the very front where we started the tour, like where you get dropped off if you like from Mears and from the airport. And then the lobby's here, the pool, if you could enter, is there, the sign that I usually, and then straight back is Toy Story. So we're just literally going the opposite way. Fantasia, the pool. So we're now taking a right instead of taking a left out of the lobby. So then we're gonna go towards 101 Dalmatians and the Mighty Ducks. So these are also some of my favorites because I love both of those movies. But the puppies over here, oh, adorable. I'm obsessed. It's fine. I love the fire hydrants for the stairs, the little bones, canine crunchies on the bones, all the puppies, Cruella de Vil. So freaking cute. So cute. I love that you get this like classic Disney animation theming even at this price point. I think it's a really cool touch that they did at a value like resort. I think these are pretty freaking well themed for being value resorts, I believe. We have the Dalmatians over here. Bigger than life, larger than life, as the Backstreet Boys would say. So cute. And then look at the little baby. He's so cute. Just watching TV. Look at him. So cute. I can't. Oh, he does a baby. Aww. That's so cute. A little photo op here, which is adorable. And then right now, the only pool that's open is over here. The duck pond. Ooh, almost stepped on a lizard. My bad lizard. The duck pond pool back here in the Mighty Duck section. Also, if you're trying to walk towards All-Star Music, you can go right past the pool and there's like a little walkway and you're like right at the lobby of the All-Star Music Resort. So very easy to walk between these resorts. It's also like a running trail you can follow as well. But this is the Mighty Ducks Duck Pond Pool. 10 a.m. to 11 p.m. That is the time for all the pools that are here. We have some bathrooms, rooms. Again, this pool is quite busy, obviously. It looks like a Goofy as the goalie. Some scoreboards over here. Looks like this is just like storage. A little overlook at the pool. Nothing too crazy because there's lots of families in here. And then the Mighty Duck head is the center, like the mask. So that's really fun. And like I said, if you just go around here, there's parking over here, and there's also a little walkway to the All-Star Music Resort. So I think that's a really cool thing that you can do Oh, and that's the time. It is 3:27. That's cool. I mean, that makes sense. But yeah, so right now this is the only pool open on this property, or like for this resort. I'm guessing Fantasia didn't look like it was like going under crazy refurb. Probably just getting a nice cleaning. But yeah, so right now this is the only pool, but usually the Fantasia pool makes this one a little bit quieter. But that's all right, you know, that happens. There's also parking on this side as well. Yeah, just a really cool resort. So let's head back up to the front of the resort and we'll see if there's anything I missed. Again, the Fantasia pool, it looks amazing. I love the Mickey. See, Mickey's done squirting the water now. Uses magic. But yeah, I don't know when this will open back up. Hopefully it'll open up soon because I know like the big pools of these resorts. But you could always walk over to one of the other all-star resorts and use their main pool as well. So it's always an option if you're staying here for these value resorts. So don't you fret, it's gonna be a great day. But yeah, I think that's gonna do it for me here at the All-Star Movies Resort. I love it here. Definitely would love to stay here one day. It's on my list. I think I would want to stay in the Toy Story or the Herbie section because that'd be really cool. But hit that like button and subscribe, and I'll see you guys real soon. Bye!